All right. Court is calling 2023 CR 2532, State of Texas versus Eric Mendez. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Travis Banks, the state of Texas.
Defense?
John Pettis for defense.
Are you Mr. Mendez?
Enrique Mendez, yes.
All right. Counsel, have you received all the discovery?
I have, Judge.
Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Judge.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Mendez, I'm showing you what's entitled application for deferred adjudication. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you're going to need to speak up so the court reporter can hear.
Yes, Your Honor.
Showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Judge.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Mendez, I'm showing you what's entitled court admonishments and defendant's waivers and affidavit of admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you're charged with indecency, child exposure? That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine.
Yes, Your Honor.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court doesn't follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Judge.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, Judge.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Judge.
Mr. Mendez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Thank you. Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
According to the plea, there is no fine. State recommends deferred adjudication, and there's to be Chapter 62 registration. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes. Yes.
Defense?
Yes, Judge.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Showing you the waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Judge.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 6 years and there be no contact with minors. Did you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence?
The state offers States Exhibit 1 and its attachments.
No objection, Judge.
Interjections? All right, and state, have the complainants been made aware?
Your Honor, we made attempts, looks like on September 28th, we spoke to the victim's mom. The victim is now 18 years old and she gets lost back.
All right, thank you. Travis,
Yes.
Mr. Mendez, and you may be excused to confer. Mr. Mendez, I'm showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, I did.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today that the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes. Yes, I did.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence States Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding you guilty as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, my client understands what he did. He, after having lengthy conversations about this situation, he is, in his words, shamed himself, his family. Family members have turned their backs on him. He is feeling the full force of the ramifications of his actions. He feels horrible about them. He has learned from this issue and takes full responsibility for it.
All right, Mr. Mendez, why are you exposing yourself? Do you know? Sometimes people don't know.
It was like an impulse, it's just like that. I don't know what to say.
So what have you been doing to help yourself not engage in this?
I've been going to church more often. I've been praying every day. I've been praying the rosary every day. I've been asking God for help, so that I don't do this again, because it's just devastated my whole life. It's just I lost my job, my friends, some family members.
Oh, you need to slow down and speak up so the court reporter can hear.
Yeah. Like I say, I lost, some family members, that they don't want to talk to me, and I brought so much shame on myself. I felt like I felt worthless. The only thing that it makes me strong and I'm here is because I've been praying so much. I've been praying every day, and
So are you? I know if I follow this agreement, you will have treatment through probation,
Yes.
and they'll be able to address why you're exposing yourself.
Yes.
State, I don't know about this, the no contact with minors. My only issue is, for example, you all know in the hallway outside, there are people with children, because people tend to bring their children to court. So that's I'm sorry, Brittany Mitchell. No. I had excused Travis. But so it's Brittany Mitchell for the sake. So I just don't understand how we can enforce the rule of no contact with minors, because they're everywhere. They're in the hallway. And if I were to grant this and put no contact with minors and he's outside in the hallway, then he's violating conditions. I could say that
No unsupervised visitation, no unsupervised.
if we do a no unsupervised contact with minors, what that will mean is, for example, if he's at the HEB, there has to be adults in the HEB, and I'm thinking there will be adults in the
Right.
HEB.
That's fine, Your Honor,
We're
unsupervised.
amicable to that, Judge. Obviously.
right. I
don't
will
wanna set
then-
him up for failure.
We will do no unsupervised contact with minors, and he's not to attend any establishments whose sole purpose is the attraction of minors.
Right.
For example, you have the places downtown, the Children's Museum, the Museum.
Of course. Judge.
You're not allowed to do anything of that nature.
Okay.
But if you're at the HEB, you're at the HEB. People got to have groceries. If you're at the Walmart, you're at the Walmart. But there cannot be any unsupervised contact with minors. So let me just tell you the way I see that going. If you're at Walmart or at a store, sometimes people in San Antonio do this. I don't know why they do it, where they will let their child wander off. And then I'm at the store, so worried about the children, I'm following the child around, trying to make sure they get back to their parents. If you see something of that nature, you are to get off that aisle. Do you understand?
Yes.
So you see a child ran away from their parent, they're on the children's aisle at the toy section. You can tell a salesperson, hey, I just saw a child run around unsupervised, but you are not to go on that aisle. You are not to try to help that child find their parent. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
All right. And state, does that satisfy your request for no contact with minors?
It does, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you. So are you employed?
Yes, right now.
What do you do? I don't need to know the location. Just what do you do?
I'm doing window tint.
Okay. All right,
And in a shop, we work with 6 guys, so everybody's
okay.
men.
All right, this is what I'm going to do. There's going to be a $0 fine, 6 years deferred adjudication, Chapter 62 registration. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. The defendant is not allowed to go to any establishment whose sole purpose is to attract children. There's to be regular reporting to probation, regular UAs. There's going to be the sex offender unit and probation. I'm sure with the sex offender unit, they'll do the field visits. And so there's no need for me to request field visits. All right. Is there anything else he needs? Probation?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
I just want to thank you for, everything you guys are doing for me, because this is gonna let me continue working, and just providing for my family. And I just want to thank you.
Judge, I just want to point this out. My client right now is living in San Antonio. He does have a residence that he does intend on moving to in Natalia, Texas, but he will still keep working. And his intention is to report in San Antonio, and his intention is to still report here in San Antonio. I just want to bring that to the court's attention.
All
I'm
right.
not sure if that changes anything because he's living in a different area.
You'll need to speak with probation. There probably is going to be an issue with that. So you're going to need to make sure that if you're going to live in Bear County, you're going to live in Bear County. If you're not going to live in Bear County, then your probation will have to be transferred depending on where you are. But probation, if you can let them know he has 2 residences.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And also there's to be proof of employment within 30 days and no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Yes, 30 days. I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, I do.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, Mr. Mendez, good luck to you. Whatever the issue is, we're off the record. Whatever the issue is that you have, they'll be able to address it through the classes that they give you. They will let you see a psychiatrist and everything. And this courtroom communication is key. So make sure you stay on top of everything. Make sure you are registered, because otherwise a motion to revoke is going to be filed. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Judge. Maybe
Yes.
and just to let you know, as one of those kids that was running around HEB without supervision, it's not the parents' fault. That sometimes they're looking at
No,
something
it's,
and run
you
away.
know what? See, you're saying that because you have children now. Do you know, I was at the mall and there was this 4-year-old just running around. I think this is another reason why I don't like shopping. So the 4-year-old is by themselves. So what do? I start following the 4-year-old, trying to see if they're going to get back to their parent. And then I have to call the salesperson. I'm saying, there's this 4-year-old, I don't know where their parent is. And so finally the parent comes blaming the 4-year-old. I said, no, you were lost. Your child was not lost. And by the way, because the salesperson's like, here you go. I'm like, no, you better show me a photograph in your wallet with you and this child, something.
I have a even worse story. I went on a cruise and there was like the kid pool area, and there was this little girl. She was maybe like 4, and she was just clinging on to me the whole time in the pool. I was like, where are you?
Where are your parents? Oh, yes. Yes.
No contact order on victim or anything.
Yeah, we'll do no contact with the complainant, but my understanding, the complainant is now 18, but I'll do no contact with the complainant as well.
We don't have any objections to that.
All right, thank you.